Yeah, well, I found this today. Lying in the dirt. I would say not more than 100 metres from where I live. Been right under my nose for probably 6 years now. Guessing late 1800s. I wouldn't think it'd be much beyond 1920s. Then again, could be wrong. I'll have a look, complete with the two-year air pipe. It's going to need a little bit of work, but I would say it's probably going to fly. And no sooner than just cast myself a ribbon burner for this, what's to be a gas forge. So, clearly I'll be building that charcoal forge earlier than I had anticipated. Let's have a look at the back side. A little bit of bendage. Not too bad. It was underneath a small, sizable Port Jackson fig. And those things will put roots anywhere they can get them. Let's say I'll have to rebuild the paddles for the impeller. I mean, she's well seized, but there still seems to be plenty of meat there. A little bit of rust. Yeah. Well, I just thought we should have a look before it gets too much cleaner. Apparently, we have a flapper valve assembly in here too. Anyway, tad rusty too. Bit of research, and I think she'll be sorted.